So you want to have more confidence. That's great. The problem is, you're doing it all wrong. But there's good news. Just because you're doing it wrong doesn't mean you can't fix it. In fact, fixing it is simple. But first, let's talk about what you're doing wrong. You give yourself pep talks. You boost yourself up. You even have yellow stickies. But you still lack confidence. Why? Because you're a bottomless bucket of need. Here's you. Here's someone you meet. They're thinking, nice person. You're thinking, do they like me? And that's death. Do they like me is the wrong question. It puts you in a state of need, and that's bullshit. The question isn't, do they like me? The question is, do I like them? Do they have the values I have? The character I have? The ethics I have? The morals I have? Change the question, change your life. So stop all the crap. You don't care if they like you. You only care if you like them. This technique has a name. It's called reverse osmosis. No, it's not. It's not called anything except common sense. So change the question and change your life. But not before you subscribe, share, and download the Unspoken Rules of Leadership. 53 pages of tools, tips, and techniques you can use to do a better job leading others and leading yourself. I'm Jamie Turner. I'm an author, a professor, and an instigator.